everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know my hair looks a little different today. These are my day 4 stretched out curls and I'm going to be showing you how I go from this to this. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I style with my go-to Curlsmith product combination, which consists of the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, the protein foam, and last but definitely not least, their strongest hold gel, the In-Shower Style Fixer. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will definitely have seen me style with this combination before. It's my go-to. I always get brilliant results with it, and it's just a really great combination for my hair type. So I'm going to be talking you through how I style my hair with those products today. But before I do so, I just want to talk you through the other gels in the Curlsmith line, tell you a little bit about them, who they're best suited to, and the different hold levels of each one. So let's go ahead. So Curlsmith have 4 different gels in their line, and I'm going to talk you through them in order from lightest to strongest hold. So first up we have the Shape Up Aqua Gel. This is from their strength line, so this one contains protein. It's a level 5 hold on the Curlsmith hold spectrum, and you can see it has a runny consistency. So this gel is going to be really good if you're looking for a light hold, something that's very weightless in your hair. You won't feel like you've got product in your hair, and also it's going to give you a little protein boost. And next up we have the Curl Defining Styling Souffle. So this has a jelly-like consistency that melts between your hands when you apply it. Again, this is a level 5 hold in the Curlsmith hold spectrum, and as I say, this is very concentrated. You really don't need to use a lot. So this one really adds a lot of shine to your hair. It's great for keeping your curls moisturised, and it can also be used as a one and done because it is very moisturising. Next up is the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. So this is a really moisturising gel. It's going to create shine on your hair, it's going to lock the moisture into your hair, but also really enhance definition without weighing your curls down. So this is quite a runny gel, and it's lightweight at the same time as giving you a level 7 hold. It also smells absolutely amazing. To be honest, as do all of the Curlsmith products, but this one is just, I love it. It's such a lovely scent. And then lastly, we have the In-Shower Style Fixer, which is a level 10 hold. This is the strongest hold gel of all of the Curlsmith products. It's a very thick gel, and that helps it create a really strong hold. So this will dry hard on your hair, and you just need to scrunch the cast out once your hair is fully dry. But I always recommend mixing this one in your hands with water before you apply it to your hair, and also apply it to soaking wet hair. That's why it's called the In-Shower Style Fixer, because you need to apply it to soaking wet hair to get the best results. So this is actually my favourite Curlsmith gel, and it is because it is such a strong hold. It gives me really nice ringlets, and they stay in place. I find you don't need to use a ton of it, but it just gives me really great long-lasting definition, and that's just exactly what I need with my hair that has loose curls. It is protein free, but I find that pairing it with the foam underneath really gives me that little boost of protein that I need, and then the Hold Me Softly Style Balm really helps enhance the ringlets. Just look at them. But that's enough of me talking about it. Let me show you how I use it. Let's jump into the shower. After cleansing and conditioning my hair, I'm rinsing out my conditioner and going in with the Hold Me Softly Style Balm. I apply a small amount and focus it on the parts of my hair that are prone to knots and dryness, like the nape of my neck and the ends of my hair. I then rake the excess through the rest of my hair and give it a little scrunch. Next, I'm going in with the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. I apply about 4 pumps to my whole head, first glazing it over the canopy of my hair, then raking it through to ensure even distribution. This really helps add volume and texture to my naturally soft curls. Finally, I'm applying the In-Shower Style Fixer to lock the moisture into my curls and hold them in place. I first mix it with water in my hands because it's very thick, and this helps with even distribution. I start by raking it through my hair, making sure to cover all areas. I'm now using a brush to separate the front and back sections of my hair. I find this helps encourage curl definition and clumping at the back of my head. After brushing through, I scrunch the front and back sections separately to encourage clumps to form. I'm now flipping my head to the side and adding a little water to the roots to help unstick them. I'm now applying a bit more of the In-Shower Style Fixer, glazing it over my hair and scrunching in. I then flip to the other side, shaking my head as I do so to loosen the curls from my scalp, and do the same, glazing over and scrunching the gel in. I then flip upright and focus on scrunching the back. This helps encourage curl definition at the back of my head and also helps ensure my clumps are separated so they don't all stick together once dry. I then remove a bit of excess water with a curl towel before diffusing my hair. And voila, here's my pretty much dry hair. I diffused my curls, flipping side to side, and now to finish off I'm just scrunching and fluffing my curls out to release the gel cast and help add volume. And here we are. I'm really happy with this wash day, and let me show you a little shot of the back as well. The back of my hair is naturally less curly than the rest of my hair, but I do notice a difference when I take the time to encourage the definition at the back of my head. So let me talk you through what I did off camera. So I diffused my hair probably until about 60%, and then I went in and added a little bit more product for a bit extra hold and frizz control. Then I finished diffusing my hair and added a few root clips throughout my head as I do, which you can see in my styling routine video, which I'll link above. And then I scrunched out the crunch because it does dry of a hard cast on the hair, fluffed it all out, and here we are. Look at these amazing juicy ringlets. All of my ringlets are pretty much at the bottom of my hair, and this combination really brings out my ringlets, and the In-Shower Style Fixer holds them all in place. I'm just really impressed with this wash day. I always get such great results when I use that product combination. It's really become my go-to, and I even used it when I went to a wedding earlier in the year, and you know that something has become a holy grail when you use it on your hair on a special occasion, because you want your hair to look the best it can on a special occasion. You don't want to be trying any new products out, and I got really good results, and I'm so happy that it's available in the UK now, because for the longest time I was lucky enough to try it out, but I wasn't able to let you guys know where you could get it in the UK, but now you can. And yeah, thank you so much to Curlsmith for sponsoring this video. It really was a match made in heaven with this video, and I honestly probably would have made it anyway, because you know I love that combo and I really love that gel. Let me know in the comments what your favourite Curlsmith gel is. Is it the In-Shower Style Fixer? Is it the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly? Is it the Souffle? Have you tried any of them? Let me know which one was your favourite. And as always, if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye guys!